Okay, so the first video in this series, we downloaded what's called the JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. You could think of that, if you think of the Java Development Kit as all the code that's already been written in Java for us to use. And so there's a bunch of pre-written Java that's available for us to use in the development kit. And so I like to say it's a library of code. So the JDK is a library of code that we can use to help us write Java. The next thing that we're going to download is the actual editor that we're going to write code in. Okay, so if you're going to write your English paper, you're going to use Microsoft Word, right? So that Microsoft Word is your editor. So if we're going to write Java, we need an editor to write Java in. The most popular editor to write Java in is called IntelliJ IDEA. So IntelliJ IDEA, if you Google search it, again, this is what you're searching. IntelliJ, one word, IntelliJ, then the word IDEA. Okay, you can see IntelliJ is what's called an IDE. So integrated development environment for developing software. So this is the Microsoft Word for Java. This is going to allow us to write Java, just like you use Microsoft Word to write your English paper. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on IntelliJ IDEA, and it takes me to the website. Of course, we just need to click on the download button. There's two of them. There's a blue download button or a black one here. By the way, IntelliJ is also what you use to you can use it, as you can see, for Android apps. But we're not using it for Android apps. We're using it for Minecraft modding. Okay, so it doesn't really matter which one you click. I'm going to click this black download button. And you could see, depending on your operating system, so I know some people might have a Mac or Linux, but I encourage, hopefully everyone has Windows. That's going to be helpful if we all have the same operating system. So I'm on Windows, and the edition, there's two editions. There's the Ultimate for basically enterprise software, which we're not writing enterprise software, we're modding Minecraft. So the edition that we're going to download is the Community Edition. And probably the Ultimate Edition costs money, and the Community Edition doesn't. So if you got, or it's a free 30-day trial, but let's just stay with the free edition. So I'm going to click on the free Community
Oh wait,
Edition.
how do we get to that page at the top? You have to go to download.
You just got to click on the download button. Yep. And then you're going to click on the community download.
Guys, you're sounding like robots right now. You're trying to cut out. It sounds like you two are robots.
That might be your connection. That might be my connection. Hopefully the YouTube stream doesn't have us sounding like robots. So I'm going to download it to my desktop. You can see this is the file. I'm just going to click on save. And it says that I've got 4 minutes remaining. We'll see if that takes 4 minutes to download.
It didn't give me an option to start downloading it. It didn't say like.
Yep, that's okay.
I'm not the best when it comes to downloading stuff. Only thing I really know how to download is pictures.
That's okay. So I'm going to try and take my time through this and go slowly. But if I wind up going too fast, or if anyone gets stuck, of course I'm recording this and we can always go back on the recording, or I can help you. I can help you first, and if you're doing this at a later time, like this evening, you could check the recording. It says I've got 3 minutes left. I need to insert some Jeopardy music or some elevator music. Perfect. Keep going. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. That made 1 minute go by. We've still got 2 minutes left. I'm going to get a drink of water while this downloads. Don't go anywhere. I'm getting some water. I am back just in time.
I already downloaded Minecraft.
We're downloading Minecraft next after we install this. So let's go through the installer. Let's go through the installer. So I just clicked the installer. Now I downloaded it to my desktop. So you can run the installer from wherever you downloaded it from. So there it is. Now I've got a user account control. I need to click on yes. Okay, and we're going to install IntelliJ. So if you just watch me right now, you can just watch and then do this on your computer next. So I'm gonna click next.
So when I went to like the tab at the bottom, it installed it twice for some reason, and now it's like just
It should only install once. It's okay if it's going twice.
there's like two pop-ups of it on the same thing.
You should
Can
be
I
able to
close one?
close one, yeah. So I'm gonna click next. This is the location, which is fine. I'm just gonna click next again. This isn't super important, but I'm gonna click the .java association. If you don't do that, that's okay. Click next. Wait a minute. add launchers dir to the path. I'm going to do that. And it says restart needed. So more than likely, we're going to have to restart our computers, which is okay. Click next. I'm just going to click restart later.
Wait, do I need to check any of the boxes off?
I checked 2 boxes. I checked the one for .java, and it says add launchers dir to the path. I click that one as well.
Add open folder. Wait, do what?
Can you see my screen?
Oh yeah.
Just those 2 boxes.
Okay. And then it says to start fold menu. And there's like a ton.
Wait a minute. If you click next, it should say install.
Yeah.
So I'm going to click install.
So it says like a site called JetBrains or something.
You just click install.
And when this is done, you probably have to restart computer.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about the start menu folder. You don't click anything there, Xavier.
It says should I reboot now or manually reboot later?
Do a manual reboot later.
Okay.
So I want to manually reboot later. So I'm going to click on finish. Okay, so I'm going to keep this video just that short. Here, if I click on start, you should have IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition installed now. And you can launch it. If I click to run it, confirm. So I'm going to click on I confirm and accept the user agreement. Click continue. I'm going to click don't send. And there's our screen with IntelliJ.
I need to open IntelliJ.
Yeah, I mean just to make sure that it is working.
IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition.
That's it. I'm going to stop the recording right here because we just did one thing on this video, which was installed our IDE, which is called IntelliJ.